Step into the 2007 Acura RDX. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear bench seat, AC, daytime running lights, ABS, rear reading lamps, 4-wheel disc brakes, adjustable steering wheel, multi-zone AC, and navigation system. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.